Sasayaw.
Butterfly! Butterfly! Butterfly!
Where? Miggy, are you ready to explore the nature? Come here na, vamos. Miggy exploring the jungle. Haladad. Oh my God, wala ba yung snake diri? I'm gonna die. We're gonna explore. Going to the Twin Lakes. And yeah, this is exciting. See you.
It's so weird walking on some rocks with grass.
It's a moss.
Oh,
It's called moss. M-O-S-S, moss.
moss. I can go so fast that now I'm behind stuff. So like.
Hello guys, welcome to Balinsasayaw.
No, look.
Twin
Here,
Lake.
you go back here. Now you go here.
Balinsasayaw. Wow, look at that.
Let's go. Let's go. Andrew.
Hey.
Let's go.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, we'll have a photo there on the mic.
Balinsasayaw Lake in Valencia.
Sagol naman yun, San Jose.
Cebulan? Cebulan
How's best
Negros.
to do a video for YouTube straight?
Live.
Yeah, but my son is.
Miggy, are you
down
paddling the
back.
boat in the lake?
Of course, our friend too.
Be careful, don't stand.
My son wants to help.
Very beautiful. Wow.
Now
That.
going to the Twin Lake.
Ooh, we're in the Twin Lakes, Balinsasayaw, in Negros Oriental. Miggy is paddling the boat there at my back. Miguel, ojo.
Asa man ni Kalaw?
And
Sus.
this guy,
Miggy, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Be careful. Look here, Mix.
Sila to, 97.
Eee.
97 meters deep. The deepest
97
part of the
lang.
lake is 97 meters.
Oh,
That's
no,
pretty deep. It's about like 300 feet or so, you know?
no crocodile. Blue sky.
not so big.
Andrew, hello.
You live here also? You live here?
Yes.
Yeah? There's not many people living here, or there is?
Daghan ba ko na nagpuyo aning lugar pero dili man diri asa man yung balay diri? How many minutes away? So dali kay mabali di.
We go that way, there's the Twin Lake, which is exactly.
So kanang kaila ka
Miggy paddling the boat, Mix.
bingli. Kuan mo gana siya kana bang nakukuha mo ko kahin ana nga.
Chika chika with the
Gablihan ni mo ang iyang punuan.
boatman.
Ang lalom niya kay mo
Hi.
pislit wa nimo ba.
Hi, Babs.
Ang iyang. Hey, look. It's curled up. That's how it looks like before it opens up, eh?
Yeah,
Amazing. Look at the brown.
the
Like
fern.
a young leaf.
It looks like a snail.
Yeah,
That's
cool,
amazing.
no?
Is that a snail?
No,
Fern.
it's a tree fern.
This is the other half, the other twin. So na, woo, the smaller lake in the middle of nowhere, in the jungle.
Former crater, a caldera.
And the other is on this side. Balinsasayaw Twin Lakes in Negros Oriental, Philippines. You could hear all the animals, the birds singing. We're in the wild. Woohoo! The songs of the birds or whatever in the nature. Cicala singing. And another one there.
That sound doesn't.
Yeah,
That sound.
it's amazing.
It's from there.
Yeah,
From there downstairs.
that's coming from cicada. I want to eat cicada.
Oh, this is a smaller lake from the Twin Lakes.
Let's go.
Step on that log,
Balinsasayaw.
nearly fell into the water.
And we need to climb up back to this trail, up and then down again to the other lake so we can go to the
Well worth it. This is
mainland.
a smaller lake.
Walking into the jungle. You're not scared?
No.
And not tired either?
No.
So you like exploring, right?
Yeah. And I started.
How do you find it? How do you find the experience?
I said I farted.
Oh, you Palaotot!
In a video, I farted.
Oh my God. Explorer! Miguelito in the jungle of the Philippines. Estamos en la selva.
Rainforest jungle.
Miguelito in la selva.
Virgin rainforest.
Virgin, never been kissed, never been touched. Oho. Sa logitok nga
Ganan ko, Anike.
tarak-tarak ni Kuya Ralph. Si Kuya Ralph dito maghimo.
Tama.
Uy. Tubog. Migi. Hi,
Ang mga
Migs.
guards dito magabisi ka
Oy.
Kaya maglingkod na sa
Very
kuwan.
busy paddling, Migi.
Ang kanaganing ko man makita na ako kay
In the lake.
Yung mga tiyan ng mga gwardiya dito sa syudad karon. Kasi ka naglingkod.
Marite, tulits yan, tulits. Tulits si Kuya, tulits po do. Oh.
Dili ka pugos ang ginseng.
Paddle mix,
12 hours
row,
duty,
row, row your boat gently down the stream.
If there is having a war coming here, nobody comes. Yeah? If having a war starts, they come here, nobody comes here.
Only mountaineers.
Yeah.
Very nice. Oh.
Already a rupture.
Ginsayawan Mountain.
Yeah.
Yesterday.
Oh, really?
So, because that's when
And that
it erupts
this
when
one
it has
is
all
called
pressure
the
coming, right?
Yeah.
Totoy
And
sa
then
Dalaga.
already coming
Haha.
down. The steam is constantly released.
Ah,
It's
okay.
constantly released in there. But he said something here because you have a lot of volcanic fields. with-
The geothermal energy as well. Huh? They have a geothermal plant.
Here, I want to come back here to Carol again. All the way there.
Ah,
By yourself this time.
bye.
No other guy helping you.
Yeah.